If you've ever found yourself struggling with gum sensitivity or simply want to level up your oral care routine, you know how crucial it is to find a toothbrush head that delivers both gentleness and effectiveness. The Oral-B gum care replacement brush heads are a game changer when it comes to achieving that balance. And today, we're going to see if these brush heads live up to the hype. Let's talk facts. These brush heads are designed with a specific focus on gum care. They feature ultra-thin bristles that promise to remove up to 100% more plaque compared to your regular manual toothbrush. The round head design is inspired by dental professionals, delivering a tooth-by-tooth clean with bristles engineered for optimal tooth coverage. The pack comes with 3 replacement heads, which are compatible with various Oral-B Pro, Smart, and Genius rechargeable toothbrush handles. Though keep in mind, they don't work with the Oral-B iO series. When I first started using these, I noticed the bristles felt soft yet sturdy. Even on sensitive gums, the gentle bristles provided a deep clean without causing discomfort. The brush head's round shape makes it easy to maneuver, and it reaches areas that a regular manual toothbrush can't quite get to. In terms of performance, it's hard to argue with the claim that it removes more plaque. After using these brush heads for a week, I felt that my gums were healthier, less inflamed, and more resilient. So here's a breakdown of the pros and cons. On the plus side, these brush heads are incredibly gentle, yet effective. If you have sensitive gums or are prone to irritation, this is a fantastic option. They're also compatible with several Oral-B models, making them versatile and convenient for existing users of the brand. The ease of use is another highlight. These brush heads glide over your teeth effortlessly, delivering a thorough clean. On the downside, they are not compatible with the iO series, which could be a limitation if you own one of those high-tech brushes. Also, while they are certainly gentle, some might find the cleaning power a little less intense compared to other, more aggressive brush heads. If you're looking for a really firm scrub, you might want to explore other options. Now, what about value for money? The price of these brush heads falls in line with what you'd expect from a brand like Oral-B, especially given the quality and performance. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you consider the reputation of the brand and the results I've seen, it feels justified. If you're looking for a quality toothbrush head that's gentle on your gums, yet powerful enough to get your teeth really clean, it's a solid investment. As far as alternatives go, there are cheaper brush heads on the market, but most won't offer the same level of gum care that these do. If you're on a budget and just want the basics, you can certainly find more affordable options that get the job done. However, for those looking for a reliable, dentist-recommended product that focuses on gum health, this pack of 3 Oral-B brush heads is worth considering. In terms of build quality, these brush heads feel solid. They snap into place easily and fit securely into the brush handle. The durability seems good as well, though like most brush heads, they do need to be replaced every 3 months. If you've used these before or have any thoughts on the performance, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. If you're thinking of picking them up, don't forget to check the link in the description box to get your hands on a pack. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.